How to unpin a document on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unpin a document on Word Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Word, and then here you need to select any document you want, like this one, and then just click these 3 points, and then click unpin from list. And as you see, the document has been unpinned. And if you want to pin it again, just click here and click pin to list, and document has been pinned. It's easy, and that's how unpin a document on Word Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.